Hello, colorful creators! Today, we are going to color a bird that looks like a flying rainbow. The parrot. Parrots are some of the smartest and most beautiful creatures in the jungle. Get your brightest reds, blues, greens, and yellows ready. Let's spread our wings and fly into the world of parrots. Parrots are birds, which means they are covered in feathers, have a beak, and hatch from eggs. There are over 350 different kinds of parrots in the world. They belong to a group called psittacines. As you start coloring those bright feathers, imagine the warm tropical sun shining on our feathered friend. Where do parrots live? Most parrots love warm tropical places like rainforests. You can find them in Central and South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. They love to live high up in the trees, where they can find plenty of fruit and stay safe from predators. They are true jungle royalty. Take a look at the parrot's beak. It is curved and very strong. A parrot's beak is like a built-in multi-tool. They use it to crack open hard nuts that other birds can't touch. But that's not all. They also use their beak like a third hand to help them climb branches. It's a very busy part of their body. Look at the parrot's feet on your coloring page. Parrots have very special feet called zygodactyl feet. This means they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward. This gives them a super grip. They can hold on to branches tightly and even hold their food like we hold a sandwich. While you color the feet, imagine your parrot holding a yummy piece of fruit. The most famous thing about parrots is their ability to talk. While they don't have vocal cords like humans, they are master mimics. They use the muscles in their throat to copy the sounds they hear. They can learn to say, hello, whistle tunes, or even copy the sound of a ringing phone. What would you want your parrot to say to you? In the wild, parrots use sounds to talk to their family, which is called a flock. Each parrot has a unique call, so their friends can find them. When they live with humans, they start to copy us because they want to be part of our flock. It's their way of saying, I like you, let's talk. Parrots are much smarter than most people think. Some parrots, like the African gray, are as intelligent as a 5-year-old human child. They can solve puzzles, recognize colors and shapes, and even understand some of the words they are saying. They are the little geniuses of the bird world. Parrots are very social animals. They don't like to be alone and prefer to live in large groups. In a flock, they look out for each other and find food together. They are very loyal and often stay with the same partner for their whole lives. They are true believers in friendship and family. Why are parrots so colorful? These bright colors aren't just for looking pretty. In the jungle, the bright greens help them hide among the leaves, while the reds and blues help them find their friends. While you color, think about how these colors help your parrot stay safe and happy in the wild. What's for lunch? Parrots are mostly herbivores. They love seeds, nuts, and all kinds of tropical fruits like mangoes and papayas. Some even drink nectar from flowers. They use their strong tongues to get every bit of tasty juice out of their food. They are very healthy eaters. Parrots can live for a very long time. Some small parrots might live for 15 years, but large ones like macaws can live for 60 or even 80 years. This means a parrot can be a friend for a whole lifetime. Taking care of a parrot is a big responsibility because they want to stay with you for a long, long time. Parrots spend a lot of time taking care of their feathers. This is called preening. They use their beaks to clean each feather and zip them back together. They also have a special gland that makes oil to keep their feathers shiny and healthy. A clean parrot is a happy parrot. How does a parrot sleep? They usually sleep standing on one leg. They tuck their head under their wing and stay very still high up on a branch. They have a special lock in their feet, so they don't fall off while they are dreaming about flying through the clouds. Let's talk about some specific parrots. The macaw is one of the largest and most colorful. They have very long tails and huge beaks. They are the giants of the parrot world and are often seen in movies because they look so spectacular. Are you coloring a giant macaw today? Cockatoos are famous for the beautiful crest of feathers on top of their heads. They can move this crest up and down to show how they are feeling. If the crest is up, it usually means they are excited or surprised. They are like the actors of the jungle. Lovebirds are small, cute parrots that are known for being very affectionate. They love to sit close to their partners and groom each other. They remind us that even the smallest creatures can have a lot of love in their hearts. Section 18. Eyesight. A different view. Parrots have amazing eyesight. They can see colors that humans can't even imagine. They can also move each eye independently, which means they can look at two different things at the same time. One eye could be looking for fruit, while the other watches for a sneaky snake. Besides talking, parrots make very loud screeching and whistling sounds. In the noisy jungle, they need these loud voices to make sure their friends can hear them from far away. A group of parrots can be one of the loudest groups of animals in the forest. Now, while we finish our coloring, listen to the story of Pip. Pip was a bright green parrot who lived in a tall mahogany tree. One day, a thick fog covered the forest, and Pip's friends got lost and couldn't find their way back to the nest. Pip didn't panic. He knew he had a loud voice and a good memory. He flew to the highest branch and started to whistle a special song that only his flock knew. He whistled louder and louder, guiding his friends through the gray fog. One by one, his friends followed the sound of Pip's song and made it safely home. Pip showed everyone that using your voice to help others is a wonderful talent. Just like Pip, you are using your colors today to guide us into a beautiful world of art. Parrots are very important for our planet. When they eat fruit and drop the seeds, they are actually planting new trees. They are the gardeners of the rainforest. By protecting the trees, we are making sure that parrots always have a safe home to live in. Some parrots are so smart that they can use objects as tools. They have been seen using sticks to scratch their backs, or using leaves to stay dry in the rain. They are always thinking and learning new ways to make their lives easier and more fun. Having a parrot as a friend is a unique experience. They are very emotional and need a lot of attention and love. They love to play games, learn new words, and spend time with their human families. They truly are winged wonders that bring joy wherever they go. Look at your masterpiece. Your parrot looks like it's ready to whistle a happy tune. Today, we learned about zygodactyl feet, the third-hand beak, and the brave story of Pip. You did a spectacular job, little artist. Show your drawing to your family and tell them your favorite parrot fact. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye. Squawk, squawk.